Welcome. If you want to let everyone in your Telegram group send messages, you're in the right place. Whether you're running a community, a study group, or a fan club, keeping the conversation open is essential. Here's how you can quickly update your group settings so all members can participate. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account that has admin rights for the group you want to manage. Next, go to the group chat where you want to allow members to send messages. You can find your groups in the chat list. Just tap on the group to open it. At the top of the group chat, you'll see the group's picture or name. Tap on this area to access the group's profile page. This is where you'll find all the settings and information related to your group. On the group profile page, look for the edit icon. It usually looks like a pencil or the word edit in the corner. Tap on it to enter the group's settings menu. From here, find and select the option labeled Permissions. This section controls what group members can and cannot do. In the Permissions menu, you'll see a list of actions members are allowed to perform. Look for the switch or toggle next to Send Text Messages. If it's turned off, members can't send messages. To allow everyone to chat, simply toggle this switch on. This instantly gives all group members permission to send messages in the group. Once you've made this change, don't forget to save your settings. Usually, there's a checkmark or save button at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm your changes, and that's it. Now everyone in your Telegram group can send messages and join the conversation. Keeping your group's permissions up to date helps create a more engaging and interactive space for your community. Happy chatting!